I'm Alan White, and welcome to the Big Orange Bird. Well, today we're starting on day 2 of my trip from here, my home in Virginia, to Arizona. So in the previous episode, I made it to West Tennessee and spent the night with my mom and dad there. And today, I'm getting up early in the morning, heading out, and my plan is to make it all the way to Arizona. Well, you know what they say about plans. Yeah, it didn't work out that way. And by the end of this episode, I'm kind of in a world of hurt. So stick around and see what happens. Yep, I had a flat tire. I'm in Snyder, Texas, middle of nowhere, West Texas, with a flat tire. And the line guy comes out there, talks to me, asks him, "You got a mechanic on the field?" "Nope." "Is there a traveling mechanic that might come around?" So, "Well, sort of, but he's not, maybe he's not the most reliable." Sure enough, I call him up and said, "Well, maybe I can get there in 3 days." That's not gonna work. And along comes a knight in shining armor. That'll be version 3. I'll see you next time. And I want to give a shout out to a fella, the Rusty Pilot. He does a YouTube vlog too. Check him out. And he recently did an episode in which he ranked his top 5 small-time YouTubers. Everybody knows the Trent Palmers and the Jonas Marcinkos and the people like that, but the small-time aviation YouTubers like myself, he did a top 5 list, and hey, I was in it. Thanks, Rusty Pilot.